Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Wealthfront website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the Get Started button. Once logged in, navigate to the Invest section of the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Tax Loss Harvesting. Click on it to learn more about how tax loss harvesting works. Review the information provided to ensure you understand the benefits. Next, select the Get Started with Tax Loss Harvesting option. Wealthfront will prompt you to set your investment strategy. Choose between aggressive, moderate, or conservative strategies based on your risk tolerance. After selecting your strategy, input your investment amount. This is the total amount you plan to allocate for tax loss harvesting. Wealthfront will then generate a portfolio recommendation based on your inputs. Review the recommended investment allocations carefully. Make adjustments if necessary to match your investment preferences. Once you are satisfied with the portfolio, confirm your selections. Proceed to fund your investment account. You can connect your bank account for easy funding. Once funded, Wealthfront will start managing your investments according to your chosen strategy. Monitor your account through the dashboard to see how your investments are performing. Wealthfront will automatically implement tax loss harvesting throughout the year. You can also check the performance of your tax loss harvested trades. Regularly review your account to stay informed about any changes. Feel free to reach out to Wealthfront support if you have any questions or concerns. You're now set up for effective tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.